Hi guys, it's Christine Castellano back at you again. It's day 257 of quarantine. No, I'm just kidding. But we're trying to use our time wisely. So I wanted to go over some of the things that I think are really, really super important to come in for treatments for. To help your skin with anti-aging, acne, rosacea, you name it, nothing beats a microdermabrasion. And you can have a variety of facials with it. Peels, I offer 3 to 4 different types of peels, different grades of peels, heavy peels, light peels, mandelic peels, everything to fit your skincare needs. But number one is your microdermabrasion. And I use the Mega Peel. It is a medical dermabrasion, shall I say, I'm sorry, microdermabrasion, because dermabrasions are completely different and they are done by medical professionals like a dermatologist or a plastic surgeon. We in our esthetician's office, we can only offer microdermabrasions because they're not as invasive. But nevertheless, they are so effective. I'm going to turn on because people really don't know what it is. It gently exfoliates, or it exfoliates heavier depending on the subject. The subject meaning what type of skin are we working on? What type of client? Do they want an aggressive service? Do they want a really super light service that's just a kiss of exfoliation? People want so many different things. So we cater to each and every person, customizing every single procedure. It's not one size fits all because we are not a chain. So you come in and we are very, very customized and very, very intimate of a setting that everybody is an individual and we treat as that. So I'm going to turn on our microdermabrasion machine, which I love. And by the way, I do microdermabrasions on myself every 3 to 4 weeks, including your retin-A and the stem cells and things like that. But right now I'm going to show you and demonstrate what a microdermabrasion is all about. So we're going to turn on the device. And so what happens is little tiny crystals are pushed through this little hose and this little tip, which is one time use only. And we actually gently clean the skin and it exfoliates as we're cleaning. So it's pretty awesome. It's not painful. You might feel a little tiny bit of roughness, but it only lasts for about 3-4 minutes. So this is just great. So I recommend every 3, 4, 5 weeks to come in for one, but it really does help your products penetrate better because you're exfoliating. And it also helps any type of treatment that you're doing with it. It helps it to penetrate better. So I like to mix this with a peel or another type of treatment facial because it actually helps whatever I put on after this, it helps to soak in and actually be more beneficial because this is actually deemed manual exfoliation. The peels and whatever I put on afterwards that exfoliates is a chemical exfoliation. Even though it's not harsh chemicals, it's still deemed a chemical exfoliation, even if it's fruit acid or lactic acid or salicylic acid, it's still a chemical exfoliation. But this is just awesome. And we have this here. If you want to come in when all this quarantine is over, you will be very happy with your microdermabrasion. It makes your skin feel really super, super soft and silky. And the treatment will usually last you until your next one, usually about a month or so. But in between, like I said, use your retin-A's and your other serums, that we had talked about in our series to help with feeding your skin. This exfoliates, so we're going to feed your skin with the serums and whatnot. And also, don't forget about the collagen and the other supplements that we had talked about too, to feed your skin on the inside, because skin is your largest organ. And I reiterate that skin is our largest organ. So take care of it like you would any other organ, like your kidneys or your liver or things like that, or other organs. So just take care of it. I mean, people don't realize how vascular and spongy it is. So everything that you put on it with scents or harsh chemicals actually soaks into your bloodstream, and it goes into other tissues. So just be very careful about your ingredients. Well, with that said, I'm so happy that you watched this video, and I'm happy to be here to educate. Until next time, we got this fantastic little device here, and I hope you stay safe during this quarantine time, and I really hope that you come and see us when we're open and up and running for business, because we are going to be better than ever. So until next time, there again, stay safe, and please, please, listen to what they say about staying inside and not getting into crowds and protecting yourself, because nobody wants to get sick. Please, I beg of you, please just be careful. Well, I'll see you guys. I love you to pieces, and I can't wait to see you guys again. I'll see you soon, and you'll see me in the next video.